Do you want to know why I don't do criminal law anymore? I really didn't like it, and it was really soul-sucking for me. It just took all the joy out of work by doing criminal law. When I first decided to be a lawyer, I thought I was going to be a prosecutor. I thought it was going to be like Law and Order, that I would go fight for the people. When I was an undergrad, I shadowed a prosecutor, saw it was more transactional, not really about justice, wasn't like what I saw on TV, and I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna like doing that. So then I was like, I'll try criminal defense. I tried that, and that's when you're representing people that are charged with crime. It just was really difficult because nobody's ever happy with the result. It was very transactional, the system is kind of messed up, and so no one's ever happy, and I just didn't like doing it. It wasn't rewarding for me. Didn't help that a lot of my criminal defense cases were for drug cases or DWI. They weren't mentally stimulating. It was like the client would hit a pole and was passed out and got their blood taken, and I had to go defend that, and it just wasn't rewarding. Some people love it. It's just not for me. After I was fired from my clerkship during my 2L year for mouthing off to the person that was employing me, I was desperate for a job and started working somewhere doing criminal law and a little bit of employment law. We had this really high asset employment law case. It was very intellectual, very exciting. It was a lot of legal writing, and that's when I first got my taste of what employment law could be like. And so now I do almost exclusively employment law. I'm trying to wrap up the last bit of the criminal cases that I have been involved with, and if it's something for a friend or something that's not really complicated, I'll still help with that, like a first offense DWI for a friend. I'll get the same result pretty much any lawyer out there will, so I don't mind doing that still. I think that's why a lot of lawyers get so burned out and kind of learn to hate the profession, is because they get stuck in the area they're not passionate about doing. I'm glad that didn't happen to me.